Actually, this is the last video. Last two properties, chemical properties are there, and this is the chemical properties of first A group elements, and we are discussing about here nature of bicarbonates. Just now we are discussed about nature of carbonates. Now we are discussing about nature of bicarbonates, isn't it? So when we are discussing about bicarbonates, we need to know that what's the formula, general formula of bicarbonates. Here, alkali metals bicarbonate general formula is MHCO3. This is the general formula. So moving down the group, what happens? What happens regarding stability? So moving down the group, stability of these bicarbonates definitely increases because in MHCO3 here. In MHCO3 here, in this moving down the group, large size of anion is there, so moving down the group definitely stability is increases. And when we are discussing about MHCO3 metal carbonate, these metal carbonate all are colorless crystalline, but here exception case is except lithium. Lithium bicarbonate is actually it is exist as a liquid. It is exist as a liquid. So all are colorless crystalline, but it is lithium is exist as a liquid. So this is the exception case, and as well as these bicarbonates are actually basic nature. It is basic in nature. So generally these are basic nature, and they are readily soluble in water also. They are readily soluble in water also. And here what happens on decomposes MHCO3 metal bicarbonates decomposes like on heating it form M2CO3, that is metal carbonate, and it liberates carbon dioxide, and it produce water molecule. This decomposition takes place in all. There is no exception in this decomposition. And next property is nature of nitrates. Nature of nitrates, when we are discussing about nitrates, just we need to know general formula of nitrates, that is alkali metals nitrates is MnO3. MnO3 is a general formula. Moving down the group, same concept, stability increases when moving down the group, isn't it? So here MnO3 metal nitrates, okay, nitrate, okay, listen carefully. And they are colorless solid, and they are actually colorless solid, and on heating definitely on heating they decomposes here. When we are talking about decomposition, but in this decomposition there is some important exception is there. All metals are actually undergoes decomposition, um, like decomposition to form uh, all these metal all these metal nitrates are decomposed on a heating to form 2 moles of, here 2 moles, here 2 moles of MnO2, and it liberates oxygen, okay. And this is for all actually, but exception is here about lithium. When lithium is undergoes decomposition on heating, it form Li2O and NO2, it liberates, and oxygen also it liberates. here 4, here 2, here 4. Okay, it means all metal nitrates are decomposed to form MnO2. Okay, so MnO2 means here metal nitrate. Okay, metal nitrate, but in lithium it is forming lithium oxide and NO2 and oxygen. So it is only because of due to diagonal relationship with the magnesium, isn't it? So this is the general chemical properties of first A group elements. This is known as alkali metals. Thank you for watching.